Hello friends, today I am going to solve repeated string problem on HackerRank. So what we have to do in this problem, we have given one string and we have given new size, right? So suppose this is our string and our new size is 10. So what we have to do, we have to create a new string with size 10 and we have to put value of the value in that string is we have to put a repetition of this string in new string. So if you will see in example, suppose we have a string ABA, right? Let's see, our string is ABA and our new length is 10, right? So our new length is 10. So what we have to do, we have to create a string with 10 length, right? If you will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, right? Suppose we have created and we have to fill all value of that previous string in this string. So suppose I will put ABA again, sorry, ABA, and we have to repeat this same in all string, right? ABA, and in last we have only one space, so we will put A, right? आ रहे हैं, रुक जा। So what we will do, we will just first we will count how much A is available in our previous string. So if we will count, we will get 2, right? The value number of A in our previous array is 2. Now what we will do, we will find the length of this string, right? So if we will find length of this string, length of this string will be 3, and what we will do, we will divide this 3 by this 10 so that we can check how much this our previous string will be defined in new size. So if we have 10, right? New string length is 10, so we will divide, when we will divide 10 by 3, we will get, right, we will get 3, right? We will get 3. It means we have 3 old string in new string. If you will see here, right, 1 2, suppose here if you will see 1 2 and 3, and we have remain one character, right? One character in new string. So what we will do, we will then check how much space we have or how much character we have remain in new string. So we will check, we have 3 old string in new string, right? And we have only one space. So what we will do, we will repeat this, we will repeat this old string in one time, and we will check how much A we will find in that. So for solving this, what we will do, first we will, so let's start this programming, right? So if this is our function, repeated string function, and this function is going to return long type value, right? So what we will do, first if you will see, first what we have to do, first we have to find length of this string, right? So if you will see, we will check int L, right? So suppose we have length, and in L we will put s dot length, right? Next, if you will see, next what we have to do, we have to find how much A available in our previous string, right? So if in this example we have 2A in previous string, so we will run loop so that we can count for int I is equals 0, I is equals 0, and I is less than how much time, s dot length I plus plus, and here we will check if s dot char at I is equals A. Suppose then we will create one variable, right? So we will create a long count. Suppose we will create a long, so we will count and we will initialize count with 0. So in this case, if our string will be character will be A, we will increment count plus plus. So here at that point we have find, if you will see, at that point we have find these two it means this is total number of a in previous string, and here we have find length of our string. So now we have to do what we have to do. We have to find how much string we will create in newly string in using previous string. So what we will do, our new string size is 10, so we will divide 10 by length of new string, old string. So what we will do, suppose we will create one variable int a, and int a will be, sorry, not we will use int, we will use long a is equals, what we will do, we will use new length is n, our new length is n, and divide by l, right? This is string size l, and using this we will find 3 in a, right? So a will be 3. Now what we have to do, we have to, if we know 3 string we have formed in 3 old string we have formed in new string, right? So we will easily find that how much a in this till here. So as we know, we have 2a in old string, one old string, so we have 3 old string, right? So we will multiply by this 2 into 3, we will get till here total number of a, right? So if you will see what we will do, we will create a long total is equal will be a into, what we have to do, a into how much, a into, suppose if we will say a into 3 into this a count, right? So will be a into count. So in this situation here we have found total is equals 3 into 2, right? We have find 6, right? Now what we have to do, we have to count in from this return remain string how much a is available. So how we can find the remain string? So when we have divided by 3, it's return 10, it means we have 3 string. So how much string we have remain? So we will use divide 3 by 10 by 10 percentage 3, so it will return 1, right? So we will check 1. So now we will run this loop, and we will take only check one character, and we will check that character is a or not. If that character is a, we will count 1, right? So we will again start loop 4. So before running, we will make count as 0. We will run int I is equals 0, sorry 0, I is less than how much time we will get. So suppose here we have, created long b is equals and percentage l, right? This one we have written, right? So it will return 1. So this loop will run only one time, b and I plus plus, and here we will check same these things, right? So if that character is a, it will increase count, and what we will do, we will add that count in total, right? So our total will be, total is equal to total plus count, and now what we have to do, we have to return this total, right? So let's return total. Let's execute this code. If we will execute this code, yeah, you have see our both cases running. Let's submit. Yeah, it's fine, our all test cases are passed. Okay, thank you. It's very easy. We have used long variable right here. If you will see in example, we have used long variable because we have to return long value, and also if you will see in example, they have mentioned this value, right? And this value can't be stored in int variables. That's why we have created long, right? Here, this is our very easy program. Let's submit. Okay, we have earlier submit this. Okay, thank you.